Stop treating sequences like static data. Use LSTMs, a brain-inspired way to hold on to time. Here's how. LSTMs are a special kind of RNN with a memory cell that captures long-term patterns. 3 gates run the show. The input gate decides what new info enters. The forget gate drops what's irrelevant. The output gate controls what gets passed on. Non-linear activations like sigmoid lets the cell learn complex relationships. TAN lets the cell learn complex relationships over time. That's why LSTMs shine in. Language modeling, speech recognition, time series forecasting. Variants like bidirectional LSTMs boost context-stacked LSTMs boost model depth. But beware, they can be slow to train. They can suffer vanishing gradients or exploding gradients if not handled right. In short, LSTMs give sequence models memory and focus, turning messy time data into useful predictions. Want a quick whiteboard demo next?